Hi everybody. So in the study I looked at, they were interested in the emotional processing of Parkinson's disease patients, and they had come across a few studies that were conflicting. One study stated that Parkinson's disease patients had an ability at the behavioral level to recognize and categorize emotions, but had an impairment in the ability to generate autonomic emotional responses. Another study actually reported the opposite and reported that there was behavioral impairments, and those were mostly in negative emotions. So in the study I looked at, they felt that there was the ability in Parkinson's disease patients to consciously recognize and categorize emotions despite the neurobiological alterations. So investigators wanted to further that experiment and determine if there was a compensational neural mechanism that may affect Parkinson's disease patients. So in this study, they used 21 medicated Parkinson's disease patients, which means they were all on dopamine medication, and 21 participants that matched the Parkinson's disease patients, and they were the healthy control. They used a cross-sectional study that looked at 125 colored pictures. These pictures were used to elicit normative valence, which is the nature of emotion. So whether it was a positive, neutral, or negative reaction, and then the arousal of the participants. So this was the intensity of the emotion, and that ranged from low to high. So they presented these images to the participants while they were getting scanned, and obviously it produced images. So I believe that, or I felt that this was an appropriate study because it allowed investigators to visually see the activity in the areas of the brain that were being triggered due to these pictures, and then it allowed them to compare this to the healthy patients or participants. And not only that, it did give them the ability to show where these emotions were being processed in the Parkinson's disease patients and the healthy patients. So when they were finished, the results actually fell in line with the previous study and showed that there was, in fact, the ability to recognize and categorize emotions in Parkinson's disease patients, and they were capable of explicitly discriminating and rating the intensity of the emotions, which was similar to the controls. It also revealed that there is a possible compensatory neural mechanism. They found that there was an increase in the medial frontal activity, which serves as the top-down processing in cognitive emotions, and it actually showed that there was a dysfunction with this processing. So it was interesting to read and to actually view the images that they had. It was very interesting, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Have a good day.